Previous on 1 Minute with Me.
This show's got me really motivated. I'm tired of posting stuff that YouTube's not recommending. If you made it this far into the video, you're probably wondering what this video's about. Most of you don't understand what the golden ratio is, just getting back to the basics. So, I'll catch you in the next one. Keep filming. Peace. Great. What next? What next? Mobile photography. It's been a while since we've done a challenge. Let's do a challenge. Let's go. I'm going to need to make an announcement video. So I'll reach out to the folks in the Discord, find out what we should do. I think a good theme will be telling a story with a shot. Damn, that's hard. Something I struggle with too, but it'll be a good challenge. We'll do that. And then my video, I think I'm going to shoot everything in RAW. I'm going to use the Motion Cam app. I think that's going to be cool. And should I talk about my second channel? I don't know. I really feel like I should separate mobile photography and filmmaking into their own things, especially since on this channel here, I've been all over the place. But anyways, mobile photography challenge. Tell a story with a shot. How long? Let's make it 7 days.